Question number 17. Two strings of length L1 and L2 are fixed at both the ends, which means what? There is one string like this. Let us say length is L1. There is another string like this, which is length L2. I do not know whether L1 is greater than L2 or less than L2. The wave speed is same for both the strings. Okay, same wave is being sent. They both vibrate at the same frequency, which means the frequency with which this vibrates is F. This will also be, let us say this is F1 and this is F2, then F1 is equal to F2. That's what it says. L1 vibrated is first harmonic. L1 vibrated is first harmonic, while L2 vibrates is third harmonic. Where is third harmonic? Third harmonic should be somewhere over here. Okay, so this should be your third harmonic, right? Now, what is the question being asked? What is L2 by L1? This is the question. So, how do I do? So, first one, when I say it vibrates with first harmonic, we know L1 should be equal to lambda by 2. See, this length is lambda by 2. You know from the theory of stationary waves, and so this should be lambda by 2. Similarly, if I take L2, see for one loop if it is lambda by 2, let me take lambda 1 by 2 because he says frequency is same, wavelength is not same, right? Okay, and then if I say this is lambda and this is lambda by 2, lambda by 2, lambda by 2, then this should be equal to 3 lambda by 2, right? So, according to this, I can now say lambda 1 should be equal to 2L1 and lambda 2 should be equal to, I'll write lambda 2 here, lambda 2 should be equal to 2L2 divided by 3. Okay, but what do we have? We have F1 is equal to F2, which means what? V by lambda 1 should be equal to V by lambda 2. Wave speed also same, wavelengths also same, and thus now I can equate these two. So, what I will do is, I will just say this V and this V goes away. I can now say lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2, right? Lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2, which means what is lambda 1 according to me? It is 2L1. This should be equal to what is lambda 2? 2L2 by 3. 2L2 by 3. What do I need? L2 by L1. So, this 2 and 2 goes away. So, L2 by L1 should be equal to 3, right? So, the answer is 3. Okay, let us move on to the next question.